We did, no? No? Okay, okay. Second is simplify. Second is exercise number 7.1. Exercise number 7.1. That is 7A. 7A. Simplify. Second problem, simplify. In this second simplify, first, second and fourth, they are easy. They are easy. So first, second and fourth will be homework. This third I will do. That is 5 raised to n plus 3 minus 6 into 5 raised to n plus 1 upon 9 into 5 raised to n minus 5 raised to n into 2 raised to 2 into 2 raised to 2. You have to simplify this using law of indices. So 5 raised to n plus 3 minus 6 into first, second, fourth homework. First, second, fourth. First, second, fourth, they are directly you will get the answer. Now I will solve this third one. Now 5 raised to n plus 3. 5 raised to n plus 3 minus 6 into 5 raised to n plus 1 upon 9 into 5 raised to n minus 5 raised to n into 2 raised to 2. 2 raised to 2 I can write 4. If you want you can write 2 raised to 2 as 4. So now see, out of 5 raised to n plus 1 and 5 raised to n plus 3, which is smaller power? 5 raised to n plus 3. Yes, n plus 1 is smaller. So this n plus 3 I will write in terms of n plus 1, and that we write as 5 raised to n plus 3 I can write n plus 1 into 5 raised to 2. Are you getting? N plus 3 I can write 5 raised to n plus 1. No, not 2n plus, not 2n plus 2. A raised to m into yes, a raised to m into a raised to n. I write a raised to m plus n. Power into power, add the power. Power into power, add the power. So n plus 1. No. How 2 will be getting added to? 2 will be added to n plus 1. N plus 1 plus 2 will be n plus 1 plus 2 is 3. I will add 2 to 1 because n plus 1 plus 2 will be n plus 3 minus 6 into 5 raised to n plus 1 upon, I will take 5 raised to n common, then it is 9 minus 2 raised to 2 is 4. 2 raised to 2 is 4. Then from numerator I will take 5 raised to n plus 1. 5 raised to n plus 1. 5 raised to n plus 1 common. Then what is left? 5 raised to 5 raised to 2. Yes, 5 raised to 2. 5 raised to 2 means 25. Yes, 25 minus 6. We write directly. Then 5 raised to n. Then 9 minus 4 is 5. 9 minus 4 is 5. You getting? So 5 raised to n plus 1 into 25 minus 6, 19. Now denominator 5 raised to n into 5 raised to 1. Yes, 5 means 5 raised to 1. So I will apply law of indices. A raised to m into a raised to n is a raised to m plus n. So denominator will be 5 raised to n plus 1. Now n plus 1 get cancelled power. 5 raised to n plus 1 get cancelled. So what is left? 19 is left. So the answer is 19. No. See, we don't multiply the base. Whenever base is same, we don't multiply the base. We add the power of the base. We add the power. We take the same base. We don't multiply 5 and 5 because they are the base. So that base I will take common and add the power n plus 1. A raised to m into a raised to n. The base is same, a. So what we do in that case, we add the power. So base we don't divide and multiply. Base we take common, either we subtract power or we add power. If there is multiplication, we add the power. If there is division, we subtract the power. And that base we take common. And this result is applicable only when bases are same. If base is same, then only we can add the power or subtract the power. Then fourth, first, second, you will get direct answer. Third also I can give homework, but let me do this third. Third one, 32. Yes, third I am solving. 32 raised to minus 2 by 5 divided by 125. Where second, third I solved, no? First, second, fourth I gave homework in second. Yes. Let us start third. Third, I will solve, let me solve 1 and 2 both. Third, evaluate on simplify. First, root 1 by 4 plus 0.01 raised to minus half minus 27 raised to 2 by 3. So root 1 by 4, yes, what I can write? Root 1 by 4 means, square root of 1 is 1 and square root of 4 is 2, so 1 by 2. Plus 0.01, I can write 1 upon 100 raised to minus half. Are you getting? 0.01, after decimal there is 2 digit. So when you remove the decimal, it will be 1 upon 100 raised to minus half. 27 I can write 3 raised to 3 raised to 2 by 3. So half plus, now the power is negative. I have told you, whenever the power is negative, you take reciprocal of the number is, yes, you take the reciprocal, power will become positive. So 1 upon 100 reciprocal will be 100 raised to half, power will be positive now. When you take reciprocal, 3 raised to 3, power raised to power, multiply the power, so 3 into 2 by 3, 3 get cancelled. What is left? 2. No. Only we take reciprocal of the number inside. We don't take reciprocal of power. We take reciprocal of the number inside. We just interchange the numerator and denominator. The power becomes positive. We don't take reciprocal of power. Only we change the sign of the power. So that is half plus 100 I can write 10 raised to 2, 10 into 10 100, so 10 raised to 2 raised to half, minus 3 raised to 2 is 9, so half plus 10 raised to 2, 2 get cancelled, 10 minus 9. So half plus 1, half plus, not 1, half plus 10 minus 9. 10 minus 9 you simplify, no, first. 10 minus 9, 1, so half plus 1, you take LCM afterwards. Yes, 3 upon 2 is the correct answer. 3 upon 2 is the correct answer. Yes. What you want? Yes. You can write in this fraction 1 is to 1 by 2. So that is half plus 10 minus 9 is 1 and that is 3 by 2. This is the answer. Now in a similar way second is there. Second 27 by 8 raised to 2 by 3 minus 1 by 4 raised to minus 2 plus 5 raised to 0 plus 5 raised to 0. So 27 by 8 I can write 3 cube 27, 8 I can write 2 cube, 2 into 2 into raised to 2. Yes. Yes. Yes, denominator I am writing, no, 8 as 2 cube. If you not write 8 as 2 cube, then you will not be able to write a raised to n upon b raised to n. I can write a by b whole raised to n. We want to convert in this form, a raised to n upon b raised to n. I can write a by b. Yes, to convert this form, I am writing denominator and numerator both, power. Then minus 1 by 4. Now power is negative. 1 by 4 power is negative. So take reciprocal. No, take reciprocal, power become positive. So 4 raised to plus 2. Are you getting? 1 by 4 raised to minus 2, power is negative. So I will take reciprocal. Power become positive. 5 raised to 0 is 1. 5 raised to 0 is 1. So this I can write, the power 3 is common. So this we can write 3 by 2 whole raised to 3. 3 by 2 whole raised to 3 minus 4 raised to 2. And yes, simplify that. So this will be 3 by 2. 3 by 2 whole raised to 3 raised to 2 by 3. 4 raised to 2 is 16 plus 1. So 3 get cancelled. So that is 3 by 2 raised to 2 minus 16 plus 1 is minus 15. Minus 16 plus 1 minus 15. Simplify that. 3 by 2 not 9 upon 8, 9 upon 4, 2 raised to 2, 3 raised to 2 upon 2 raised to 2, that is 9 upon 4, which is 9 upon 4. So 9 upon 4 minus 15 simply, yes, that is the correct answer, 9 upon 4 minus 15. Now take LCM as 4. So 9 minus 60 upon 4, which is minus 51 upon 4 is correct answer. Minus 51 upon 4. No, you can stop there. Minus 51 upon 4. No need to convert that into base fraction. Now 4 can be given now. let me give fourth one complete homework. Easy. Yes. I was doing the third question, but now whatever I am going to do in third question of fourth, I have already done that. The same technique I have done in this third. So doing the same problem, same means same type. So fourth one, I guess I should do or I should give complete homework. Tell me. Okay, sir. Fourth, first, second homework. Fourth. First, second homework. Now let me do third one. Third one, 32 raised to minus 2 by 5 divided by 125 raised to minus 2 by 5. Now see, whenever you see the power as fraction, you see the denominator is 5. So can I write 32 in terms of power 5? Yes, 2 raised to 5. 2 into 2 into 2, 5 times. So this I can write 2 raised to 5. Raised to minus 2 by 5. Divide by, again the power is, yes, power is minus 2 by 3. Denominator is 3. So this 125 I can write in terms of power 3. 5 raised to 3. 5 raised to 3 raised to minus 2 by 3. Now 5 get cancelled, power into power raised to power, multiply the power. So 2 raised to minus 2 divide by 5 raised to minus 2. 2 raised to minus 2 means you take the reciprocal of that. What is reciprocal of 1 by 2? What is reciprocal of 2? 1 by... No, see, my dear. The base is not same. Base is same. This base is 2. This base is 5. So you cannot apply the division rule. The base is 2. The base is 5. You cannot apply the division rule. You can apply the division rule. Yes. But before that, we will change the power of this also. This power is negative. So I will take reciprocal of 2. That is 1 by 2. 1 by 2. I will take reciprocal. Power will become positive. Divide by, power is negative, I will take reciprocal, 1 by 5, power become positive. First you have to make power positive by taking reciprocal. First you have to make not 5 upon 4. 25 upon 4. So whenever power is negative, first you take reciprocal, make the power positive. Only we take reciprocal of the term inside the bracket. We don't take reciprocal of power. Only change the sign of the power. So this becomes 1 by 2 raised to 2 is 1 by 4 divided by 1 upon 5 raised to 2, 1 by 25. So 1 by 4 division we convert multiplication. We take reciprocal 25 by 1. 25 into 1, 25. Upon 4 into 1, 4. Answer is 25 by 4. Yes? No, not fine. Further you have to... yes. Even if you can directly write 1 upon 2 raised to 2. No problem. But you have to simplify further. You have to get this answer 25 by 4. Now fourth is homework. No. What is there in fourth? Fourth is also easy. Now let me do fifth one. Fifth, sixth are important. Mark fifth, sixth. In fourth, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, fourth. Fourth will not be asked. Fourth one will not be asked. Fourth one you cut. Now fifth and sixth. fifth, sixth are very important question for both point of view and same method. Fifth and sixth are important if 2160 is, fifth and sixth are very important. 2 raised to a into 3 raised to b into 5 raised to c into 5 raised to c. This fifth and sixth. If 2160 is 2 raised to a into 3 raised to b into 5 raised to c, find the value of ABC. Find the value of ABC. Further, hence calculate the value of calculate the value of 3 raised to a into 2 raised to minus b into 5 raised to minus c. Calculate the value of this 3 raised to a into 2 raised to minus b into 5 raised to minus c after finding ABC. So this fifth question is important for 4 marks. 3 to 4 marks. This type of questions are important for board exam. If 2160 is written as 2 raised to a into 3 raised to b into 5 raised to c. Similar type of problem you have solved in 7th standard and 8th standard. Yes. So it is given. Let us solve this. So we are given 2160 is 2 raised to a into 3 raised to b into 5 raised to c. So this right hand side is 2 raised to a, 3 raised to b, 5 raised to c. So this left hand side 2160 we also write in powers of 2, 3, 5. So that we first factorize. No, not LCM, sorry, not LCM. We factorize this. Yes, yes. Wait. Let us see. We factorize 2 ones are 2, then 1, 0, 8, 0. Correct? Then 2 5s are 10, then 2 4s are, then 2 2s are 4, 2 7s are 14. Now, two ones are 2, 2 3s are 6, 2 5s are 10. Then 5, let us see, 3 or 5 whatever you want. 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15, then 3 15, then 3 5s are, then 5 1s are, correct? So this 2160 I can write 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. How many times 2 is multiplied? 4. So this I can write 2 raised to 4 into 3 is multiplied how many times? 3 into 3 into 3. How many times? 3. 3 raised to 3 into 5 how many times? 1 time. 5 raised to 1 is equal to 2 raised to a into 3 raised to b into 5 raised to c. Are you getting? So 2160, this calculation you have to show in the exam. This calculation 2160 you have to show in the exam, remember. Now I will compare the powers. This is my left hand side, this is my right hand side. So comparing the powers, not comparing the elements. You have to write comparing the powers of same base. Comparing the power of same base. So base is 2. What is power of that? 4. Base is 2. What is power of that? A. So you will get 4 is equal to A. Comparing the power of comparing the power of same base. Base is 3. Power is 3. Base is 3. Power is B. So 3 is equal to B. And base is 5, power is 1. Base is 5, power is c. So 1 is equal to c. So the answer is a is equal to 4, b is equal to 3, c is equal to 1. So we have found the value of a, b, c. Now it is our no, but this calculation you have to show. 2160 factorization you have to show, because it yes, yes, no problem. But if you write, then it is well and good, because examiner should understand what you are going to do, because marks will be given for writing. एक मिनट, Hari, let me complete. Sixth one, we'll see. Let me first complete this. After finding the value of ABC, you have to find the value of 3 raised to minus a into 2 raised to minus b into 5 raised to minus c. This value we have to find, no? So 3 raised to minus a, put the value. A is minus 4. No, a is 4, 3 raised to minus 4 into 2 raised to b minus 3 into 5 raised to c, c is 1 minus 1. 3 raised to a, yes, 3 raised to a. Correct. So 3 raised to 4 is 81. 1 upon 2 raised to 3. 1 upon 2 raised to 3 into 1 upon 5 raised to 1. So this is 81. No, you cannot write minus 8. You cannot write minus 8. 2 raised to minus 3 is not minus 8. 2 raised to minus 3 means 1 upon 2 raised to plus 3. You have to take reciprocal. That minus you cannot take with the number. It is in the power, you have to take reciprocal. Into 1 upon 5. So this is 81 into 1, 81 upon 8 into 5, 40. 81 upon 40. Yes, which you can write 2 is to 1 upon 40. This is the answer. Mixed fraction. Yes. If you don't convert, nobody will cut the marks. If you don't convert, nobody will cut the marks. Yes. Now what is your opinion? Should I give 6th one homework? Because 5th and 6th they are same method. 5th and 6th answer is 7 upon 200. 6th one. So let me give 6th homework. No problem. Same method you will do, because see, ultimately you have to appear the board exam. So unless and until you do the practice, how much nicely we will teach you, finally you have to appear the board. In board examination, nobody will be there to help in those 3 hours. So your practice is more important than our teaching. 7th one, let me do 7th one. 7th one, yes. 7th is important, means same type. 2nd is important. 2nd. Let me do both one. 7th first. 8. Wait, 5 minutes or more. 8 raised to 3a. 8 raised to 3a. Into 2 raised to 5 into 2 raised to 2a divide by 4 into 2 raised to 11a. 2 raised to 11a into 2 raised to minus 2a into 2 raised to minus 2a. So now this is everywhere multiplication is there. So this we have to convert in power of 2. Base is 2. Base is 2, base is 2, base is 2, base is 2. So 4 and 8 I will write in terms of base 2. So 8 I can write 2 raised to 3 raised to 3a into 2 raised to 5 as it is into 2 raised to 2a as it is upon 4 I will write 2 raised to 2 into 2 raised to 11a into 2 raised to minus 2a. Now numerator, let me write one more step. Power raised to power multiply, power raised to power multiply the power. So 3 into 3a, 3 into 3a will be 9a. So 2 raised to 3 into 3a 9a into 2 raised to 5 into 2 raised to 2a upon 2 raised to 2 into 2 raised to 11a into 2 raised to minus 2a. Now in numerator the base is same 2 2 2. Denominator the base is same 2 2 2. So whenever base is same, yes, whenever base is same and there is multiplication, we add the power. Base is same and there is multiplication, we add the power. So we add the power in the numerator, we add the power in the denominator. So base is same. So whenever base is same, there is multiplication, we add the powers. So this into numerator I will take the base 2, then I will add the power 9a plus 5 plus 2a. 9a plus 5 plus 2a upon again denominator base is 2, add the power 2 plus 11a, 2 plus 11a minus 9a, sorry 2 plus 11a minus 2a, 2 plus 11a minus 2a, 2 plus 11a minus 2a. So 2 raised to, yes, 9a plus 2a, they are like terms, same variable. So 11a plus 5 upon 2 raised to 11a minus 2a, 9a, 9a plus 2, 9a plus 2. Now there is division, same base, there is division. So I will take this denominator in the up, it will be minus a raised to m upon a raised to n. I can write a raised to m minus n. When I am taking n power in the numerator, it will be m minus n. So it will be 2 raised to 11a plus 5 minus, yes, 9a plus 2. I am writing first 9a plus 2 in the bracket, then I will open the bracket. It will be 2 raised to 11a plus 5 minus 9a. I will open the bracket, minus plus become minus, minus 2. So 11a minus 9a is 2a. Yes, so what is that? 2 raised to 2a plus 3. Are you getting? No, not minus 3, plus 5 minus 2. Plus 5 minus 2, no. 11a minus 9a is 2a, plus 5 minus 2 will be plus 3. Are you getting? And so this is the answer. 2 raised to 2a plus 3 is the answer. How you can be split time is there, no? Yes. Wait. I am going to explain how unit test will be conducted in 1 minute. So don't. One minute I can explain. Yes, 1 minute. Okay. Now it is 10:30. You can leave. Okay. Bye. Take care. Don't go outside everywhere. Stay at home. It is heavy rainfall. Stay at home only. Don't go outside. Yes. Take care.